Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for January 13, 2021. If you look at EME SP 500 chart, the overall trend is still bullish. The market have no sign of trouble yet, so they try to build momentum and continue to the upside. You look at the Nasdaq, it's also in the uptrend. The Russell 2000 small cap stock is still bullish. The Dow is also still hang tight to the upside. So overall trend is still bullish. As long as it's still above the moving average, the trend is still up. It have no sign of trouble. We will stick with the uptrend. Okay, so that's why it's a lot of talk that we need to looking for the right one so that you can stay on the trade and make some profit. And if you look at the energy sector, the XLE, it's still doing very well, even though they have a 2-day run up, so they pull back a little bit. The momentum is still upside. You can see it, a lot of stock there, like CocoPhillips, Chevron, Yvonne. Okay, they are the same thing. They just go up the last 2 days, they pull back yet a little bit. Okay, United States Oil, ExxonMobil. Okay, they still continue to the upside. And another sector that we have been following for the whole week, that the financial sector also very strong, especially you see that like Goldman Sachs, right, JP Morgan, those stocks have been run up very fast to the upside with a lot of money from the stimulus will flow to the market. Will that benefit the company? And semiconductor is also doing well, but they pull back a little bit after they run up for the last many days here. So people take a little bit profit there. So you can see here they put up and then they take a little bit profit, but the overall trend is still bullish. So we would stick with that. Okay, the clean energy sector is still doing well. You can see that like PLUG, they shoot it up the last 5-6 days from $30 to $70, or more than double yet for 1 week. And couple of stocks like GP is still in the upside. The Tesla is also still move in the uptrend. Okay, no sign of trouble yet. And so overall trend is still bullish. So a lot of stocks are still in upside. Especially we stick with them until they change direction. A lot of big cap stocks they still sideways, but some of the good ones like Apple would continue to fight the momentum to put it up there. Amazon, okay, they another one that try to stabilize there. Okay, and so overall trend is still bullish. We will stick with uptrend. Okay, nothing to worry yet. And if you are in our live day trading room today, after when the market opened, they push it up a little bit and then they slam it down right into the support right here. They reverse and then we call out the trade for our member to jump in and take a first trade here from here to here. That's 20 point again. That's $1,000 per 1 ES contract, and we're done for the day. And after that, market goes sideways and continue to put upside, and they put back down, but the trend is still up to the upside. So this is what we're doing every day. We try looking for the opportunity to jump in and quick make a daily income, and then we analyze a lot of stuff for swing trade, so that a lot of people busy, they can do swing trade and stay in the trade longer, so they can manage your 401k and make a bigger profit potential. This is what we do in every day in our live trading room. So if you would like to join our community, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. In there we have a video there for you to watch so that you can see how we trade. So hopefully you can learn something and go from there. And if you are not a member of our YouTube group yet, please join our YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube, so every time I have a new video, so I can alert you so that you can take you know where the market is heading to. So today I jump in, I take a quick trade. So total net profit for today is $2,059. That's for daily income. And besides that, we do a lot of swing trade so that we can make a bigger profit potential. All right, so this is all I have for you today. So thank you for watching, and we see you next time. And don't forget to give me a thumb up. Take care, everyone.